Good morning, and this is Mrs. Perry with NTI day number 10 with the theme, okay? And so we have talked about animals in our science portion and how a lot of them are different and have their own characteristics. So I want you to follow with me here at the top. Some birds don't fly. Okay, I found that at the top, and that's even noticed almost kind of like the title of the article. And I see a nice photograph right here of cute little penguins. Now, I'm going to start reading, and I'd like you to follow along. Most birds fly, some do not. Penguins, ostriches, and kiwis do not fly. Like all birds, they have feathers. They also hatch from eggs. Penguins live on land and in water. They have short legs. They waddle when they walk. Penguins use their wings to swim. Their wings are like flippers. Ostriches are the largest birds. They can grow taller than the tallest person on earth. They are fast runners. They use their wings for balance. Kiwis have brown feathers. Their beaks are long. They use their beaks to find and eat bugs. Kiwis have tiny wings. Their wings are too small for flying. Okay, so I want you to notice, I know you see a photograph of penguins and you think, okay, this is what it's going to be mostly about. It's about some penguins, but it's about also other birds that don't fly. Okay, so let's look at number 1. It says, what do all birds have in common? Okay, so this is a green question. I want you to go back and think about, what do all birds have in common right here? Is it A, all birds live in nests in high trees? B, all birds can fly? C, all birds have feathered and hatch from eggs? Let's get rid of a silly answer. I see some birds don't fly. Well, if I know some birds can't fly, then I don't want to circle all birds can fly because that would be wrong. So now you have the option between A and C, and you can go back in the text and make sure your answer is correct. Now, this text describes 3 birds that cannot fly. Instead of flying, what do penguins use their wings for? Okay, I think we have read about this before, about what penguins do with their wings, okay? So this is a green question. Instead of flying, what do penguins use their wings for? Okay, I'm going to let you know a silly answer is clapping. Okay, now either look, and I saw the word balance somewhere. I don't remember if it's for penguins or ostriches, so I've got to go back in the text and I got to find my answer. I can't guess. So number 3, some birds use their wings to fly. Ostriches can't fly. They use their wings for balance. Based on this information, what is true about all birds and their wings? So all birds use wings for the same thing. B, all birds use their wings for balance. Or C, different birds use their wings for different things. Okay, so we want to make sure that we are marking out A. All birds use the wings for the same thing, because that would be a silly answer. Not all of them use their wings for the same reason. So I want you to go back and I want you to find number 3, okay? So I'm going to be really helpful right here. I'm going to let you know that number 1, you might want to look right up here, okay? So then number 2, it's talking about penguins. I saw it talking about penguins right here, so I'm going to look right here for question 2. And then for question 3, some birds use their wings to fly, ostriches can't. So what am I going to do right here? Well, I'm going to slow down and I'm going to think about this question, because this is a yellow question. So I have to slow down and find my answer, okay? All right, guys, good luck. If you have any questions,